Yo, everybody. Simeon here with AIM High Pressure Wash. I purchased a FlowPro switch and I wanted to show you guys what comes in it. So I got this last week. I didn't even open it yet because I wasn't ready to install it, but I wanted to show you guys what comes with it. All right, and I'll talk about why I decided to go with it, things that I like about it, things that I may that may not even apply to me. All right, that makes this good for some people and not really necessary for others. Nevertheless, this is what's in the box. All right, this here, I kind of already opened this up. It's not my first time. It looks like it's real good quality design. I see a lot of other YouTubers posting how good this works, how much time it's saving them, and they have some good reviews. So I decided to get me one, and we're gonna see. One thing that I see, it looks like it's perfect. My machines are 10 gallons a minute now. This here is a 3/8 hose. You guys see this loop? Fix my camera. This loop here is 3/8. All of my plumbing, from the machine itself to the hose reel, and for the first 50 feet, and on one of the hose reels even up to 100 feet. As a matter of fact, one of my hose reels is a continuous 1/2 inch plumbing. It's 1/2 inch hose. So this 3/8 is going to give me a restriction. This needs to be 1/2 inch, at least for my machine. If you have a smaller machine and you have 3/8, you don't have a big machine, then you can get away with this. But I contacted FlowPro. They haven't emailed me yet. I'm sure they will, because this needs to be 1/2 inch. Will it work? I'm sure it will, but when I start at a certain size, if it's 1/2 inch, I want to make sure that I stay 1/2 inch all the way until I'm ready to go down to a 3/8. So I just happen to have, you know how you get spare parts. All of us guys, we got spare parts. Look at this, 1/2 inch, almost perfect. A little bit longer, but you know what? So what? I'm going to make it work, because this thing here is actually it's going to stand up. You know, it's going to stand up like that. In between, I'm going to have a hose reel here, this piece, hose reel here. So it's going to be like right in the middle. So this here, even though it has that loop, it's not really going to be in my way at all. I mean, it could even be taller. It's still not in my way. All right, but this needs to be 1/2 inch for my machines. Okay, like I said, if you don't have the big machines, then you probably can get away with 3/8. But for me, no, not going to work. So I'm going to switch that out. Other than that, I think this is great so far. I'm going to make another video of me actually using it, and we'll see how it works out. All right, this is I like the way they had it all packaged. Look at that. Thank you for choosing FlowPro, Jet West. Phone number 229-274-6777. Sales at FlowPro Solutions. All right. Tell you how to install it. Okay. This here, look at this little lanyard. I guess you can keep it for your remote control or your phone or whatever inside of here. Probably the remote control, I would guess, but they have a picture of a phone. I don't know. We'll find out. All right. What else we got in here? We have the good old FlowPro solution box. So it's my understanding, if I read it correctly, when this is flashing, I hope I don't get this wrong, it's in rinse mode. Okay, so if it's flashing, it's in rinse. If it's not flashing, you are mixing chemical. Okay, I believe that's how it worked. I hope I didn't say that wrong. All right, because I really don't want to have to make this video over again. All right, but yeah, know nothing about this, but I'm sure I'm pretty inclined on hooking stuff up. I'm sure it's a lot simpler than what it looks, but yeah, this is the brain of the of this box. So we'll close this up. They say this thing is waterproof. I'm going to eventually, when I get it all put together, I'm going to shoot my pressure washer right at it, and we're going to test it out. All right, but it looks good. It looks like it's good quality. All right, so I'm going to mount this somewhere on my trailer. Get all this stuff out of here. All right, make sure you guys can see this. I got 2 remotes. See it? Got a little antenna on here. I haven't seen an antenna. I mean, this is, yeah. But you know, if it works, it works. No big deal. It has a little old style antenna like they used to be on the old TVs. But you know, hey, I'm laughing, but hey, if that's what it takes for me to be able to communicate to this box, I'm all right. So I guess you press that, you go into rinse mode, it should start flashing. You go here and it should turn off. So I'm going to also test out the distance of this box just to see how far I can go. Yeah, but got 2 of those. All right, I also ordered as an option, these are kind of cool, these are mounting brackets for this whatever you're going to call it, this little box here. So I guess it goes something like that, obviously. All right, and it's going to help this thing stand up so I don't have to create my own. So it's just a mounting bracket. You put that in there, drill some holes on the trailer there, and you're good. So these don't come with it initially. These are an option, but a good option. They didn't cost a whole lot compared to the price of the Switch. Go ahead and get it, guys. Make your life a little easier. All right, so yeah, I'll figure this out. I'm sure it's not too hard. It probably goes, yeah, probably somewhere over there. You know, I'll figure it out. I'm pretty good at that type of stuff. What else we got? Yeah, some extra fittings. I'll see how these work. They probably go, you know, maybe one on this end, the other on this end, I'm guessing. But yeah, so far looking at it, guys, looks like it's great. I'll put this together. I'll make another video on, you know, how it is. Like I said, the only thing I'm going to change, because I did tell them I wanted the 1/2-inch injector, which they did give me the 1/2-inch injector, but this is 3/8. This should be 1/2-inch. If you order half, if you got 1/2-inch here, go ahead and just put, I mean, what is the extra cost to put this? All right, just a 1/2-inch hose, you know. But like I said, looking at it, I still think it's great. I'm going to go ahead and switch it out. I'll let you guys know how they respond to me about this 3/8, but either way, I still love it. I'm going to use it, and yeah, I'll let you know. Because look, that's 1/2-inch. Yeah, you can make one for the 3/8, or you can make it 1/2-inch. But like I said, this all should have been half. Nevertheless, I think it's going to be great. I think it's going to make my life a little easier. What's in here? Something else that I don't know what's. Okay, there's 4, so I'm guessing it's either to mount this, probably something like that. Oh, sorry. To mount this on here, there's 4 of them. So yeah, I'm gonna put this in a nice little with no zip ties, guys. Quit using zip ties on stuff. Just look a little bit better on, especially stuff that you can easily see, customers that can easily see. But you know what? Maybe that's just me. So all right, forget I said that. Yeah, on and off switch at the bottom. All right, Guys, I'm out. Phone's ringing. Until next time, take it easy.